So I chipped my tooth. I think I was about 8 or 9, dancing in the bathtub actually. Don't do that ever. Yeah, so I fell and I chipped my tooth. I think it was my right central incisor. And so, I mean, I had bonding done, and I think it chipped again somehow, maybe through sports or something. And I had another bonding done, and it became discolored. And I think I was frustrated with it for several years, but I just never got around to getting it fixed. I went to a few dental offices, and I don't know, just something about the offices that I went to, I just wasn't really satisfied. I don't know if it was the staff, the actual dentists themselves, but it just really, I couldn't find an office that I was satisfied with. I went to school and I kind of forgot about it, let time pass on, but more recently I was thinking, I need to get this fixed, and I decided to go online and really do research, and I googled literally best dentist in Orlando, and Dr. Michelson's website came up, and I was like, you know what? And I looked at the reviews. I mean, I could barely find anything negative said about this dentist, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. Went to the office, and Christina, the wife, was the one that answered the phone first, and she asked me questions, and I asked questions, and she answered all my questions. The staff was very nice, and I think really the fact that the staff was just so welcoming, you feel like you're walking into an office and family, everybody's just so friendly and laughing, and it's just very warm here, and I think it really made the difference. And I said, you know what, I think this is it. And I got the work done, and I'm very happy with my smile. Like, I don't have to do my half smile that I was doing before, and I can really I'm just really satisfied with the outcome, and I couldn't have asked for anything better.